Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rename sources in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard with all your scenes and sources, you're ready to begin customizing your source names to make your workflow more organized and easier to manage. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active sources are listed, including things like display capture, game capture, video capture device, media files, audio input capture, or window capture. Each of these sources can be renamed to something more meaningful that helps you identify them quickly during your streams or recordings. To rename any source, simply right-click on the source you want to change. For example, if you have a game capture source that you want to give a more specific name, right-click directly on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that particular source. From this menu, look for and click on the option labeled Rename. This is your gateway to customizing how your sources appear in your OBS interface. After clicking Rename, you'll notice that the source name becomes editable right there in the Sources panel at the bottom left. The existing name will be highlighted, making it easy for you to replace. Go ahead and delete the current source name completely, then type in your new desired name. Choose something descriptive that will help you quickly identify what this source is for, especially if you're managing multiple similar sources in your setup. For instance, instead of just game capture, you might name it main game feed or gameplay camera to make it instantly recognizable. Once you've typed your new name, simply press Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. The source will now appear with your new custom name in the Sources panel, making your OBS workspace much more organized and easier to navigate during your production work. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your source in OBS Studio, making your streaming or recording setup more organized and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.